last week I got a dog, and today she went out on a deck, got firewood, and he's going crazy with it. It's a little too big.
And there's the stick.
Take the ferry boat to the ferry land.
That's the size of the stick.
And also she brought another one in.
Got one under the chair, and she tried to bring that in. It's a little too big for her. We have to save. Big mouth. You clearly can't tell size difference. It's not too big. Totally, just a little bit too big. Took like 15 tries to get it to a bed, which is on the other side of the house. Nice. Not nice. She did something really funny too.
Let me see if I can get her to do it again. Hold on. Lana.
Up on it. Up. Up. She got up on two legs.
And was just following me around. And I kept going like this, and she was following me around. Lana.
Up. See? Like that. When she was like standing on it. I had to use two hands, but trying to do the camera and the thing. She's doing it. No! She's pushed me down the stairs. Whoa! Whoa! She's trying to attack the camera. Alana, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Whoa.
Hope maybe I can get her.
I'm trying to kill you. Lana,
Bring it over there. Lana.
come here. What's it?
Lana. Come here.
Okay, nope. What? I don't know if you got
That
that.
was a huge pound.
I don't know if you got that, but she just did the biggest pounce.
On the stick ever. Okay, now bye. I'm gonna play with my stick. Bye. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.